guys, Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you how to fix a trip breaker. So I just had one trip and I figured it'd be a good chance to hop on and make a video on how to reset it and what it looks like when one trips. So you can see that's our main shutoff, and these are all of our individual breakers, and you could spot pretty quick which one's tripped. So when you see that orange light, that means that a breaker's tripped, and to reset it, you just flip it over and then flip it back. And you can see the orange light went out. All of our breakers are in good shape. And yeah, pretty simple video. That's how you fix a tripped breaker. Hope this video helped, guys. If you enjoy this, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time.